I'm Sam Conley with Dayton Superior. Today, Chris Keys and I are at Lloyd Rebar in Shelby, Ohio, and this is the Taper Lock threading machine. Taper Lock is Dayton Superior's line of rebar couplers that include standard couplers, form savers, positional couplers, and end anchors. The Taper Lock system requires only 5 foot-pounds of torque to develop the full strength of the connection.
Our dedicated field support team supports and trains to eliminate across the country to eliminate downtime.
The Taper Lock system is available in grades 60, 80, and 100 and comes with corrosion protection options including epoxy, galvanized, stainless steel, and Chromex. For more information about Taper Lock and all of Dayton Superior's products, please visit DaytonSuperior.com.